Hello, so for this lab we want to select tools and we're going to select group policy management, and here we want to select CompTIA local, and here we're going to open domains. Under domains we want to look at CompTIA local, right click on it and select new GPO, and this is going to be temp workstation settings. That will be the new name that we want to create. So we'll go ahead and click OK. And the next thing is going to be marketing. Under marketing, we want to locate temp marketing. Select GPO and select this. And the next thing is to go to temp sales. We're going to select this and temp workstation settings. Click OK. Temp workstation, right click, we go to edit, and we want to, under edit, we want to select Windows settings, and we select security settings, right click and click import policy. Under import policy, I want to locate, that will be under this PC, we want to locate local VIX and go to template, and here we have it. We'll go ahead and open this, and let's go ahead and check our answers and see how we do, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. And if you're having challenges with any of your tech courses, either due to work issues, health issues, or family issues, and your grade has been dwindling down, you've not been able to do a lot of your assignments and tasks, quizzes, discussions, and the rest, and you are scared you might not come out with an A at the end of the course, reach me through my WhatsApp number, and I'm going to ensure you come out with an A. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.